Machining through involute helical gears on the shaper. This can be seen on this photo, showing the setup used for cutting 16 teeth module 1 pinion with 20-degree right-hand helix. The attachment is the same as the one used for cutting spur gears, but with some modifications that will be described. The hole attachment is set to 20 degrees using a protractor on the shaper's table. A 15 mm thick steel slab is used to set the stop in the good position, as can be seen on the left part of the photo. This photo shows the setup used for cutting a 16 teeth module 1 pinion with 20-degree left-hand helix, this being necessary to make a gear set with parallel axis seen on this photo. But the great problem seen on the photo is that the cutting force is not only axial, but have also a tangential component, this giving a torque that is transmitted to the stop. This torque is increasing with the helix angle. So the stop must be sturdy, as any movement of the stop is transmitted to and multiplied by 5 to the spindle. The feeding direction must also be against the cutting force. The worst situation is for 45 degrees helix angle, as seen on the photo, this being the maximum possible helix angle, but necessary if we want to make a cross-axis helical gear set. My solution to solve this problem is to use a conical brake for the spindle to avoid any torque to be transmitted to the stop. The male part of the brake is linked to the spindle and the female to the bearing. This part can be adjusted in the axial direction so that there is a little play, about 0.2 mm, at rest when between the conical surfaces. During the cutting stroke, the axial braking force is the cutting force itself, so a strong one. During the return stroke, springs are pushing away the conical surfaces to allow the feed. The process detailed. It's almost the same as the one described for cutting spur gears. A link is given in the description for this video. The tool center position is shown on this photo. The indexes can be seen on the right of the photo for the start and stop feeding. Look at this video showing the rough cutting of one tooth, the depth of cut being 2 modules, so 2 mm. A span measure is then taken as seen on the photo, but the finished span measure is difficult to calculate as seen on the photo, and a great help is given by the free filengrene software to get this value with no calculation. A link is given in the description for a tutorial on how to get this software. But the finishing cut V is the same as defined previously for spur gears. Use the formula seen on the photo. The finished gear set was then tested in the lathe for free and silent running, as can be seen on this video. Now the gear set is module 1, 17 teeth for each gear. The helix inclination angle is 20 degrees. The end running is good. And the power running good too. A cross-axis helical gear set was also made using 45 degrees right-hand helix angle and checked for free running in the milling machine, as can be seen on the photo. Thank you for watching.